Welcome to Leggari Products, everyone. Today we're going to show you how simple it is to use our products. Tylor will be blindfolded the entire time and will coat this wooden table to give it a fresh new look. Let's see how it goes.
All right, so the top's been primed. We're ready to start. I got Waldo. He's gonna be my helper, handing me stuff, blindfold me. And then we got Justin over here. He's gonna be just kind of messing with me, making sure that I can't see to show you guys. So we'll get this started. Get this blindfold on me. Okay. Got my hat out of here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do base coat. We're gonna be doing black base coat. So I'm gonna pour a bead, attempt to pour a bead down the middle like we always show. And then I'm gonna do this all with my hands, spray isopropyl at the end. It's gonna show how simple our products are to do, and you don't have to have an artistic touch. All right. So this is our black. So we're gonna start somewhere right here. I need to make sure, see where the product's at. Is it coming out? Yeah, it's coming out. Okay. Kind of test that bead. Seems pretty even. So we'll go one more. Did I pour a lot out? Okay, run a hand test here. Okay, yeah, this is. Seems pretty good to me, but I can't see, so. So now I'm just gonna start spreading this out, back and forth. So I'll make sure I get to my edges. And attempt to not get any on my clothes. No one's laughing, so this should look pretty good. All right, so now I'm gonna just try to get everything the same thickness, or as close to. Again, it's gonna self-level, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And hopefully the guys leveled this table off before we started. Is it looking good, Waldo? Be honest.
Looking good.
You didn't sound very confident. It's all right, I'll figure it out. Yeah, all right, so now I'm gonna go around, get these edges coated. Same kind of technique we show. Roll your roller in the top, hit your edges, get some more, hit your edges. You want to get rid of all that surface tension on the faces. Okay, and one last test on the top. Make sure everything feels like it's been hit. Okay. All right, so hand me the khaki. No, I'll just use these same gloves. Okay. So what I'm going to do is try to get some khaki color all throughout the counter. So we're gonna start out in this top corner here. I don't know how much I'm pouring out here, so. Trying to go different directions. Okay, now I want to get some color on the edges. Is it a decent highlight pour?
Not bad.
It's not bad. Well, I'm out, so it is what it is. Okay. All right, so now I'm just gonna use my hands, similar technique of using like a squeegee, and I'm just gonna kind of skip across the surface. Different directions. Trying to make sure I hit every spot on the counter, kind of rub on the edges as I'm going. And I can tell where my beads are because it's a lot thicker in those spots. All right, so now we'll do isopropyl. Spraying good?
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna spritz it. Barely pull the trigger. All right, guys. Take this blindfold off, see how I did. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Really cool. So guys, a lot of these cells will stay where all the khaki got thinned out with the black. Some of them will go away. But yeah, really, really cool. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna marbleize, flow. It's gonna really move and do its own thing for the next probably hour. So really cool. This just shows you don't need an artistic touch for using our products.